Sa ating math tutorial. In this video, we are going to find the surface area of pyramids. So when we say surface area, it is the sum of the areas of the bases and the lateral faces of a solid figure. So let's have the first example. Let us find out the surface area of a square pyramid whose slant height is 5 centimeters and the base is 3 centimeters. So to find the surface area, all you have to do is to find the sum of the areas of the lateral faces and the area of the base. Let us first unfold the figure. We have here 4 triangles, which are the lateral faces of the square pyramid. To find the area of each triangle, all you have to do is multiply the measurement of the base by its height divided by 2. Since we have 4 equilateral triangles, all you have to do is to multiply 4 by the area of the triangle. So we have 4 times base times height divided by 2. And we have the base is in the form of a square. So what is the formula on how to find the area of a square? We have side times the side, or s squared. Let us now simplify the formula by dividing 4 by 2. So 4 divided by 2, we have 2. So the formula on how to find the surface area of a square pyramid is 2 times the base times the slant height plus side times the side. To find the surface area of this figure, all you have to do is to substitute the given in the formula. So we have 2 times 3 centimeters times 5 centimeters plus 3 centimeters square. So 2 times 3 times 5, we have 30 square centimeters plus 3 times 3, we have 9 square centimeters. And then 30 plus 9, we have 39 square centimeters. So therefore, the surface area of this figure is 39 square centimeters. Next, we have the surface area of a rectangular pyramid. So let's unfold the figure. To find the surface area of the rectangular pyramid, all you have to do is to find the sum of the area of the lateral faces and the area of the base. Since the opposite lateral faces of a rectangular pyramid are equal, it can be formed by a parallelogram. To find the area of a parallelogram, all you have to do is to multiply the length and its height. So in this case, we have our length, which is 8 centimeters, and the slant height of 7 centimeters. We have the length times the slant height. Next, how about these 2 triangles? These 2 opposite lateral faces, which are triangles, are also equal. So it can be formed again by a parallelogram. To find the area of a parallelogram, all you have to do is to multiply the height by its base. So since in this case, we have 5 centimeters as the width of the rectangular pyramid and the slant height of 7 centimeters. So therefore, to find its area, all you have to do is to multiply the width by its slant height. How about the area of the base of this figure? Since we have a rectangle, the dimensions are length, which is 8 centimeters, and the width of 5 centimeters. So therefore, to find its area, we have length times the width. And to find the surface area of this figure, all you have to do is to find the sum of the product of length and height, and the product of width and height, and the product of length and width. To solve for its surface area, let us use the formula length times the slant height plus width times the slant height plus length times the width. So substitute the given values in the formula. We have 8 centimeters times 7 centimeters plus 5 centimeters times 7 centimeters plus 8 centimeters times 5 centimeters. So 8 times 7, we have 56 square centimeters plus 5 times 7 is 35 square centimeters. 8 times 5, we have 40 square centimeters. So a total of 131 square centimeter. So therefore, the surface area of this figure is 131 square centimeters. Next is to find the surface area of a triangular pyramid whose side of the base are 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 10 centimeters, and the slant height of 7 centimeters, and the height of the base, which is 5 centimeters. So to find its area, all you have to do is to find first the area of the lateral faces added to the area of the base. To find the area of the lateral faces, since these are triangles, all you have to do is to multiply the base by its height. So let's have first the side 1, which is 8 centimeter. So side 1 times the slant height, which is 7 centimeters divided by 2. Since the formula on how to find the area of triangle is base times height divided by 2. Plus, we have the side 2. So side 2, which is the base of this triangle, times the slant height 7 centimeters divided by 2. Next, we have the side 3, which is the base of the triangle times the slant height, which is also 7 centimeters divided by 2. Or, we can write this as the sum of side 1, side 2, and side 3 times the height divided by 2. As you can see, we have side 1, side 2, and side 3. That is the perimeter of the base. And then to find the area of the base, all you have to do is to multiply the base and its height divided by 2. Let us now solve for the surface area of this figure. So given the formula, we have the perimeter of the base times the height divided by 2 plus base times height divided by 2. So given the formula, we have the perimeter of the base, which is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 times the slant height divided by 2 plus base times height divided by 2. So let us now substitute the given values. We have 8 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 10 centimeters times the slant height, which is 7 centimeters divided by 2 plus 8 centimeters times 5 centimeters divided by 2. So we have 8 plus 6 plus 10, that would be 24 centimeters times 7 centimeters divided by 2 plus 8 times 5, we have 40 square centimeters divided by 2. So 24 times 7, that would be 168 square centimeter divided by 2 plus 40 divided by 2 is 20 square centimeters. So next, 168 divided by 2, we have 84 square centimeters plus 20 square centimeter, that would be 104 square centimeters. So therefore, the surface area of this figure is 104 square centimeters. Let us now solve a given problem. Dindo made a wooden square pyramid with a base side, length of 9 centimeters, and a height of 13 centimeters. He wants to varnish its outer faces. What is the surface area of the pyramid to be varnished? To solve a given problem, we have the steps to be followed. We have step 1 to understand by knowing what is asked, hidden questions, and the given. Next, we have the step 2, which is to plan by making an illustration and by determining the formula needed. Next is to solve. We are going to solve for the unknown value and then label the final answer. And then lastly, we have the step 4 is to check or checking of your answer if reasonable. So back to our problem, we are going to identify what is asked. So it is the surface area of the pyramid. So to be able to solve this problem, let us now identify the given. We have the length of 9 centimeters and the slant height of 13 centimeters. So it is a square pyramid. So the base is 9 centimeters and then the slant height is 13 centimeters. To be able to find its surface area, let us use the formula 2 times base times the slant height plus s squared. So let us now substitute the given values in the formula. We have 2 times 9 times 13 plus 9 square centimeters. So we have 9 times 13, 117 square centimeters plus 9, the square of 9 centimeter is 81 square centimeters. So 2 times 117, we have 234 square centimeters plus 81 square centimeter is 315 square centimeters. So therefore, the surface area of the wooden square pyramid to be varnished is 315 square centimeters. Let us now solve the given problems. Type your answers in the comment section. The answer for number 1 is 624 square centimeters and for number 2 is 108 square feet.